Paujil Bird Reserve is owned by ProAves Colombia and lies 283 kilometers northwest of Bogotá, Colombia, in the municipality of Puerto Boyacá, near Puerto Pinzón, in the heart of the Las Quinchas ridge. The journey from Bogotá to Puerto Pinzón takes the main highway to the Atlantic coast. As soon as you get to Puerto Pinzón, you can take a boat along the Ermitaño River. It takes 15 minutes to get to the reserve. Alternatively, in the dry season, the reserve is an hour's walk from the village along a trail. ProAves established the Paujil Reserve in 2003 with the help of the American Bird Conservancy and the Global Conservation Fund, with the objective of protecting the critically endangered blue-billed curassow, or Paujil, which has disappeared from the majority of its historic range. Conservation in the region faces multiple threats, such as deforestation, hunting, and trade in wild animals. Today, as a result of the conservation and education work of ProAves, hunting and logging have been eliminated from the reserve, and the population of the blue-billed curassow has increased. In the surrounding zone of the Paujil Reserve, we have instituted the Women for Conservation project. We work with women in the community as they often are heads of households and lack job opportunities. In order to generate a respect for conservation and provide environmentally friendly economic alternatives, we conduct workshops in the production of handicrafts and fabrics with natural products and assist in marketing them in our reserves and abroad. The research work that ProAves has carried out in the last 5 years has generated new information about a large number of birds, mammals, and amphibians in the reserves. This data has enabled the formulations of concrete actions to conserve the threatened species which the reserve protects, such as the saffron-headed parrot, sooty and tanager white-mantled barbet, channel-billed toucan, and beautiful woodpecker, and the critically endangered brown spider monkey. The live capture and banding of birds is one of the research techniques that ProAves uses to determine which species of birds exist in the reserve, their size, weight, and state of health, as well as where they come from and where they go to. Amongst the environmental education activities that we carry out across Colombia, we run an ecological group, Friends of Birds, thanks to which the children of the community use their spare time productively in such activities as managing a tree nursery, decorating the reserve facilities with beautiful pictures, and participating in educational games organized by the regional environmental educator. Ecotourism is very important for the Paujil Bird Reserve to help its long-term sustainability. By visiting us, you not only have the opportunity of enjoying a marvelous experience, but you're also helping conservation. Come and fly with us.